The United States has launched Phase 2 of its Gaza peace plan, aiming to move the region from war toward political stability. This new phase focuses on governance, rebuilding, and long-term peace. Phase 2 shifts the focus from military actions to political and civil administration. The goal is to stabilize Gaza through non-military leadership and international support. At the center of the plan is a new technocratic government. It will be led by independent experts, not political or armed groups, focusing on services and administration. Washington is acting as a key mediator. The U.S. is coordinating diplomatic efforts and encouraging international funding and security guarantees. The United Nations, European Union, and Arab states are expected to support the plan through humanitarian aid and reconstruction projects. Years of conflict have devastated daily life in Gaza. The new plan aims to restore electricity, healthcare, water supply, and employment. Security remains the biggest challenge. International coordination will be needed to maintain order and prevent renewed violence. Some groups question the plan, arguing it is imposed from outside. Critics warn of political and security risks. The United States has officially launched Phase 2 of its Gaza peace plan. This new stage comes after months of intense conflict, humanitarian crisis, and international pressure to find a sustainable solution. Washington says the focus is now shifting from war to governance and recovery. The United States has officially launched Phase 2 of its Gaza peace plan. This new stage comes after months of intense conflict, humanitarian crisis, and international pressure to find a sustainable solution. Washington says the focus is now shifting from war to governance and recovery. Phase 2 is considered critical because it aims to prevent Gaza from falling back into chaos. US officials say military solutions alone cannot bring stability, and political administration is now essential. Unlike earlier stages focused on security and ceasefires, Phase 2 is about building institutions. The goal is to establish daily governance that can manage civilian life and essential services. A technocratic government is led by professionals rather than politicians or armed groups. These experts focus on problem solving, administration, and efficiency instead of ideology. The proposed government would include economists, engineers, healthcare professionals, and administrators. Their selection is meant to reduce political tension and increase trust. The United States is acting as the main coordinator of Phase 2. Washington is engaging regional allies and international organizations to ensure funding, legitimacy, and oversight. The United Nations and the European Union are preparing humanitarian and reconstruction support. They emphasize accountability and transparency in Gaza's future administration. Years of war have left Gaza's population facing shortages of food, water, electricity, and medical care. Phase 2 aims to stabilize daily life as quickly as possible. Reconstruction is a major priority. Roads, hospitals, schools, and power systems must be rebuilt to allow Gaza's economy to function again. Security remains the most sensitive issue. Any new administration must prevent violence while avoiding heavy military control over civilian life. Public opinion in Gaza is mixed. Some residents welcome any chance for peace, while others remain skeptical after years of failed promises. Public opinion in Gaza is mixed. Some residents welcome any chance for peace, while others remain skeptical after years of failed promises.